So we can have plus times plus, we can have minus times minus, we can have plus times minus, and we can have minus times plus. Now anytime two signs that are the same are multiplying each other, we are going to be having plus. So plus times plus will give us plus. Same sign, minus times minus will give us plus. Do you understand? But anytime two different signs are multiplying, we always have minus. So plus times minus is what? Minus. Then minus times plus is what? Minus. Now the next thing you need to know is this. Now if I have a number 5 and I ask you what's the sign of this number 5, it's like there's an invisible plus in front of it. So the sign of 5 is what? Plus. Now if I have more than one number, say 23, if I ask what's the sign of 23, now there's no sign in front of it, but there's like an invisible plus. So the sign of 23 is plus. What's the sign of 11? The sign before 11, that is minus. What's the sign of 10? The sign before 10 is plus, so the sign of 10 is plus. So let's take some examples. Now the first thing you want to do is to note the sign of each of the number. Now we know the sign of 2 is minus. The sign of 3, nothing is in front, so the sign of 3 is plus. Next, you multiply the signs. So minus times plus will give us minus because they are different signs. Then you multiply the number. 2 times 3 is 6. Do you understand? Let's do the next question. Now the sign of 5 is plus. Plus times minus is minus. 5 times 3 is 15. Now for the next question, we know the sign of 10 as minus. The sign of 5 is minus. So minus times minus, same sign. So we have plus. 10 times 5 is 50. So this is like plus 50. Remember, there's an invisible plus in front. So I could just write 50. Do you understand? Now what's the sign of 20? No sign, so the sign is plus. What's the sign of 4? Plus. Plus times plus is plus. 20 times 4 is 80. So I could just write 80. Do you understand? So note the signs of the numbers given. Then multiply the signs before you multiply the number. Let's take some more examples. Alright, so we have these examples involving 3 numbers. Now remember, you note the sign first. We have minus for 3, minus for 4. The sign of 2 is plus. So next, multiply the signs. Minus times minus, same sign, is going to give us plus. Then we have plus times plus. Same sign is going to give us plus. So since it's plus, I can as well not write it. So we have 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 2, 24. So this is plus 24. Do you understand? So because I have plus, I can just do without writing the plus. Now let's do the next question. Note the signs first. Sign of 7 is plus. Sign of 2 is minus. Sign of 5 is minus. Multiply the signs. Plus times minus will give us minus. Then minus times minus is plus. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So I have plus 70. Do you understand? Let's do the last question. Note the sign. Sign of 10 is minus. Sign of 2 is plus. Sign of 1 is plus. Multiply the signs. Minus times plus is minus. Minus times plus will give me minus. Multiply the numbers. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. So I have minus 20. I hope you understand.